Hello guys! This video is created by AI Illuminati. Do you want to create AI animated videos like these? Then watch the full video. Thanks for watching.
In today's video, I'll show you how to exactly create these animated videos only using free AI tools under 2 minutes. Step 1. Image generation. Go to Lexica website and search for Young Cute Boy Cartoon 4K. Now click on the cartoon image that you like and click here to download the image. Step 2. Voice generation. Go to narakit.com, click on Make Your Audio. You can select any child voice. I'm selecting this one. Now write your script. For this video, I'm writing a simple script. You can use ChatGPT to create scripts for your video. Click on Create Audio. Once the audio is ready, click on the download button. Step 3. Image to video. Go to DID.ai website and log in using your Google account. Click on Create Video, then click on Add to upload the image that we generated from Lexica website. Now click on Audio and upload the audio that we downloaded from the Narakit website. Now click on Generate to generate the video. Our video is ready and ready to be uploaded on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the video.